Hi everyone, I'm Edward Munoz and today I have a good air solution with the Inflator Foil Pro. You will need one Orbz, one maxi cap, one stick, and one 260. Ready to start? I'm ready. Your Orbz balloons comes with one valve here, and you will introduce the valve, the inflator, into the valve. Remember, you need to put air inside the Orbz balloons until all the wrinkles disappear. Now, with a 260 balloon, we will roll down all the neck. And tie twice. Take your maxi cap and just tie the 260 around the maxi cap. Two times. Cut the excess. Now, you have your Orbz with air, you have your maxi cap, and you have the stick. It's simple. Now you have a great air solution.